Well, this is usually our creek, usually not including our barn area. This is the worst I've ever seen it. We can't take any more water, but more is coming. It's our bridge. It's being overwhelmed right now. The flooding. This is our backyard. Usually not a river. There's a little creek there, or had a little creek. Now it's taking over our entire yard. Barn is flooded. This is our yard usually. I can't believe it's not flooding into the street yet. It's close. We can't really afford any more rain. More's coming. We're gonna lose our barn. We're gonna lose the sheep unless we move them. Some more water pouring in from the yard, from the front yard. Thank God I got the sump pump fixed last month.